this video, we are going to be talking about how to multiply a binomial by a polynomial. This can also extend to a trinomial by a polynomial. The only one you wouldn't want to use it for is if you've got a binomial by a binomial, because then you'd want to use the FOIL algorithm, which I have a video of on my account. Feel free to check that one out. All right, so in order to multiply this binomial by this trinomial, I'm going to use what I like to call double distribute. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute the x term, and then after I distribute the x term to all of the terms in the trinomial, I'm going to distribute the 4 to all the terms in the other trinomial. So I'm going to do the x first. So x times 3x squared is 3x cubed. X times negative 2x would be negative 2x squared. And then x times 1 would just be x. So I've distributed the x term now to all of the terms in the trinomial. So now I'm going to go back through and distribute the 4. So I've got 4 times 3x squared, which is 12x squared. So what I always suggest is I suggest lining up my like terms so that it makes the simplification part really easy. So that gave me 12x squared, so I'm going to line him up under this x squared term from when I distributed my x. Now I'm going to do 4 times negative 2x, which is negative 8x, which again I've lined up under the x there, and then 4 times 1, which is 4. So now when I have to simplify this, it makes life so much easier because I have my like terms already identified. I just add them together. So 3x squared has no like terms. Negative 2x squared plus 12x squared is 10x squared. X minus 8x is negative 7x. And then I've got no like terms of 4. And there you go. You have your polynomial when you're multiplying a binomial by a trinomial.